Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're a subscriber by now. If not, please hit the bell icon right now and become a subscriber because this channel is going to help you improve your scores by a lot because it has already done a lot for all the students going in NEET PG 24, and we are again going to come out with very high yield and important strategy videos for NEET PG 2025 as well. So make sure you are a subscriber to receive all the new updates about the videos. This video is about how to cover those low yield subjects. For example, physio, for example, ENT ophtha, for example, ANAT. These are a few subjects that are a little lengthy, but they are low yield. So how to approach these topics or these subjects per se? Go and see what are the must know topics. See, every subject will have three types of topics. First is must know, second is good to know, and third is may know. But you need to know the must know topics of these subjects. ठीक है, इसमें जो topic must know है, ठीक है, जो पहले से आ रखा है. I will give you a few examples. ठीक है, if you consider FMT for example, age estimation और टॉपसी फाइंडिंग्स वाला, एनेस्थेसिया में PAC हो गया, कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ GA हो गया, साइकेट्री के अंदर मूड डिसऑर्डर्स हो गया, स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया हो गया. दीज आर मस्ट नो टॉपिक्स फॉर दीज सब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है, यू शुड नो दीज. ठीक है, तो ऐसे मस्ट नो टॉपिक्स को पता कर लो विद द हेल्प ऑफ PYQs. ठीक है, एंड देन फोकस ऑन दोज टॉपिक्स. कंसाइज रिसोर्सेज यूज करो इन सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. डू नॉट गो इन वेरी डिटेल्ड वीडियोज. आई वुड नॉट वांट एनीबody to watch the complete detailed videos of ANAT if they are reading it for the first time during their preparation year. Not helpful. It won't matter and it will take a lot of your time. ठीक है, you can rather do something very high. ठीक है, limit your time on these subjects. Set a timer कि मेरे को 3 दिन में जितना ANAT हो पाया उतना ही I will cover. I will not give more time than that because in these 3 days अगर 7-8 क्वेश्चन पूछे भी जाते हैं ANAT से, you will be able to cover those questions, and if not then it's of no use because there are subjects which give more questions, have a little less content, and we are ignoring those. So set a time limit on these subjects and then go about your business like that. Study these subjects using MCQs, keep solving their PYQs so that you know exactly what is being asked on a routine basis from these subjects, and you have a fair idea while approaching these subjects कि कौन से topics are must know and कौन से topics can be ignored. These subjects have to be studied during breaks. Do not give your full attention wala time to these subjects. Full attention wala time I would want you to give to say biochemistry, say FMT, say obs gynae, say PSM, and during inka breaks do a little bit of ANAT, do a little bit of physio beach mein. ठीक है, these subjects do not require your full attention. So that's how I want you to approach these subjects. If you want to prepare with us, if you want to prepare with Iconic, we are doing a personalized one-to-one mentorship for NEET PG 25. A lot of people in NEET PG 2024 have achieved great results with us, and we will soon be sharing video testimonials of those people as well. To get in touch with me, please reach out to me on this number 9116324253. If you want to prepare for NEET PG with me, DM on WhatsApp on this number 9116324253. Hi sir, I need guidance for NEET PG 25. If you put that message, I will give you a call back and we can plan how to go about NEET PG 25 personalized to your needs, personalized to your deficiencies, and that's how we'll crack it together. Nothing is more important than a clinical government seat at this point in your life. Focus on that and we will bring it home together. All the very best guys. I hope you achieve all the success that you want in life. All the very best. Thank you so much for watching. Share with your friends.